Boston Delta 183 Heavy, we're leaving 380 for 240, 310 knots max assigned, and we will be declaring emergency for hydraulic failure of one system.
Delta 183, roger, and are you planning on stopping on the runway?
We will have to stop on the runway. No nose wheel steering today.
Okay, and do you want fire to meet you out there, I'm assuming?
Yes, we'd have fire and rescue, and we should have locally coordinated for Tug to meet us.
Okay. Delta 183, cross Calverton at maintain 12000, the Kennedy altimeter is 3006.
Cross Calverton 12,000, 3006, Delta 183.
Delta 183, cross Calverton at 250 knots.
Cross Calverton at 250 knots, Delta 183.
Delta 183, contact New York approach on 125.7. I passed along that you're planning on stopping.
125.7, Delta 183, thanks for your assistance.
Okay.
3 Heavy with you, leveling 2000 with Oscar.
That was 2 at 1, Delta 183 Heavy, New York approach. Are you able to do the visual to 31 left?
Yeah, we can do a visual for 31 left. Do you have PAPIs available?
Sorry, Delta 183 Heavy taken.
Do you have PAPIs available on 31 left?
Delta 183 Heavy, just set to maintain 9,000.
Set to maintain 900,000, Delta 183 Heavy.
And Delta 183 Heavy, when able, say fuel in pounds.
Delta 183 Heavy, 23,000 pounds of fuel, 279 souls on board. Approach Delta 183 Heavy.
Delta 183 Heavy, go ahead.
Yeah, we'll be requesting a 15-mile base to final. We'll have to manually lower our landing gear today.
Roger, thank you. Delta 183 Heavy, turn heading 270, descend to maintain 5,000.
Heading 270, descend to 5,000, Delta 183 Heavy.
Delta 183 Heavy, turn left heading 240.
I've turned 240, Delta 183 Heavy.
Delta 183 Heavy, descend to maintain 3,000.
Descend to maintain 3,000, Delta 183 Heavy, and we're going to begin slowing to 200 knots.
Delta 183 Heavy, roger, speak to your discussion.
Right.
Delta 183 Heavy, descend to maintain 2,000 when able, with field sight, offer 1 to 2 o'clock, 19 miles.
Descend to 2,000, we have Kennedy in sight.
Thank you, Delta 183 Heavy, join the final for 31 left, cleared for 31 left.
Join final for 31 left, cleared approach, Delta 183 Heavy.
Delta 183 Heavy, just for planning purposes, what speed are you planning to do on final?
Say again for Delta 183.
Delta 183 Heavy, just for planning purposes, what speed are you looking to do on final?
We expect about 145 for Delta 183.
Delta 183 Heavy, roger, copy Canadian Tower 119.1, good day.
1191, Delta 183 Heavy. Tower Delta 183 Heavy, just inside Sachs for 31 left.
Delta 183 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, wind 3509er, altimeter 3006. Be advised, emergency equipment is standing by. Continue.
Continue, Delta 183 Heavy.
Delta 183 Heavy, there'll be traffic in position and departing 4 left prior to your arrival. Runway 31 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 31 left. Copy traffic, Delta 183 Heavy.
Delta 183 Heavy, I understand you have to hold there and get a tow?
Yeah, it's affirmative for Delta 183. We've got no nose wheel steering, so we'll need to tug into the gate.
Copy that, Delta 183 Heavy. You can change to frequency 121.65. We'll put the other emergency equipment and everybody else, so that personnel on that frequency as well.
Copy 2165, Delta 183.